YouTube? Welcome back to AJ's Garage. Sorry for the wind. It's going to be a little windy today, probably a little noisy, but I'm out at a yard today, Turner's, here in Central Valley. It's been on a few YouTube videos. Really cool place. Has got a bunch of stuff. I'm looking for parts for my camper special, and just as I was walking in, I found a headlight bezel. Mine aren't painted black like this, so I think I might take this home. Hopefully I can find the pair to it on my way back out, but I'm walking towards the Ford truck area. As you can see, there's already a few right here. The more I keep looking at these 60s Ford trucks, the more I want one. But I'll keep walking around, show you guys around, show you some things that I find interesting and cool. Let's start with these two trucks right here. The front ends are pretty much pulled apart. Inline 6 there. Same thing with this one, but the grill on that one's pretty straight. But what I think I'm going to start doing is just pulling parts from some of these old trucks on what I decide to do. There's a bed for a 67 through 72. There's another one. Bunch of stuff everywhere. Start grabbing parts that are salvageable and in good condition, and start storing them. And go from there. But walking this way, here's a bump side. Looks in pretty good shape, actually, really good shape. Cab's in really good shape. Still has all the trim on it, which actually I need. Blocks toast. Here's another one. I think this was a Highboy, actually. Door card, leaf springs. Yep, leaf springs up front. Someone chopped the roof off. I've actually been here, or was here, a few weeks ago. Pulled stuff off of that one right there. That's a camper special, and the one next to it. Let me get over here a little closer. Give you guys a better view. I pulled off the protective hump in the bed there. Well, I didn't pull it off, but it's a private yard. So when you find what you're looking for, you let the people up front know. They send you out with someone, and they get you what you need. So I had pulled out the filler neck. They pulled it out for me, and that hump there. This camper special here, I really like the green. This one still has it. So for the grill's pretty messed up on the ends there. This fog microlight, pretty good shape. Oh, besides that hole in it there. A few things that I do need actually are these door handles. Mine are pretty pitted and messed up. These aren't in bad shape. And then this antenna I can use for mine as well. So this one actually has the fuel line I need. It's sitting right there. You can see where that rubber fuel hose is. That would come down to the sending unit, which is on the inside of the truck close to the drive shaft. It goes up through that cross member up this way, and it comes through and comes out. I believe it's this tall line up here. So let's see if I can get that pulled out. It's kind of a bummer too that this truck had the shield, which someone looks like they just cut off, and then it also had the other connecting brace that I need. Sorry if I can't show it to you exactly very well. Oh, there it is. To hold up the rest of the shield, they got cut off there. But let's see if I can pop that fuel line off. Last time I was out here too, I saw this really cool Dodge. Really good looking shape too. It's crazy to me how this stuff gets out here. Really solid looking truck. Really solid. Keys even still in it. Original little jack there. Really straight truck. Slant 6 it looks like. Looks like someone already popped the grill off from last time. It was a really complete truck. There's a cool looking step side dent side. Pretty gutted, but cool looking truck. Body looks to be pretty good shape still. Another 60s F100. Step side as well. This is a nice looking truck. Got the caps in there too. Actually, I might grab those. And the horn. Cab's pretty solid. There's too much good stuff. Let's grab those caps. I'm not sure if that horn will work on mine. These caps actually look really, really nice. Extremely nice. Just need to clean those up. Alright guys, so I'm back home now from my trip to the junkyard. Really happy with everything I was able to pick up today. I was really only going to get this fuel line. So I was really pumped that I got that, but on top of that I was able to grab all these pieces. The Sport Custom, of course, the emblems. These go on the side of the bed. I'm not going to pop it in all the way, but completes the look right there. Also these trim pieces, I was pretty much able to get the whole driver's side. On the passenger side I got the back of the bed here. I'm missing this piece because the truck I got them off of had that toolbox, so it wasn't a complete piece, but I got the cab corner, the doors, and I'm missing the front fenders just because the truck that I got them off of was missing the whole front clip. But really excited about these. Gonna clean them all up, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching.